Yeah man, top of the morning viewer, subscriber, welcome back to another video. Yeah man, Jamaica on the Run TV. Today, me and Firefox in our kitchen. Yeah man, I'm mats up with him, mats up. I don't know any man. One go, we go more time in a peep. So today we're up in the hills. Up here name Shirley Castle. Yeah man people. No, Sheerwood Forest with the peeps, and we out here, brother. We are there do a little cooking for your party. You don't know any top chef around there, so guess what I say? And a fisherman too. Peeps, boy, we have to talk about that for the next show. Cause boy, too, we get beaten with here. I don't know still, but that is another show. So, people, hit the subscription button, hit the like button, leave a comment. Yeah, man. So, here what happen now, people. We are getting to it. Yeah. Yeah, man, peeps. So, this is the fourth fire we catch. This is the fire we are going to use and scald the pork before it jerk, you know. So we have some jerk pork and some jerk chicken, you see me? So we have do this on the outside because you know, say, and not everybody eat pork, so we're not going to mix it around there. And everybody eat all kind of meat still, but you don't know, pork is different, you know. So, yeah, man. Man, this is the pot where we have to scald the pork, you know. As you see it, we have with garlic, we have with pepper, we have with scallion, you know, with seasoning. We have wait for the salt, you know. Pimento berry did it too, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we have wait for the salt and, you know.
Have some more stuff for going the same way as it, but you don't know nothing, give all away, you know? Same way.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so fire put him on fire, you know. Yeah, man, the fire not so hot, but you don't know. It'll go on, you know. So viewers from yard and abroad who don't know we do it, you know, man. See me? Love and respect, you know, man. See me? Man, peeps, so fire already up, you know. Well, it's so fire, you know.
Already up.
Yeah, man, like a straight wood fire we are using right here. Big soup pot over there, so you see me? Shot a big promoter, you know? You say party going on a Fury last night. You my boss? The party going on a Fury.
Party going bad out the last night, man.
You come back so early. People say you don't know any man. Jamaican style, you know, man. Pork in a pot of scald, you know, for jerk down, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Firefox there. Yeah, man, outside a clean up and thing. Fire shutter. You have to bring a knife shutter, man. You're depend, man.
You with the pan. So we have a pan live. I'll Skype.
Skype. So find out. See that? So pot cow skin in a pot, you know. So much cow skin. There's some red peas soup. Cow skin, food. You see me? Boil on them, the boil long to nothing shatter. Yeah, man, peas. Peas on this, you know. Soup on this, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. Cow skin in a pot, same way. So, go on. Pork on the outside. So we gotta take time jolly up the thing, you know, people. Deal with the food. Real yardy way, you know. If look on fire, yeah, them in my ball. Wood fire kill him.
You stick cook at them, brother.
It's a long time I use wood cook.
Stick. You know nothing about a wood stick.
Yeah, deep, so you know what I tell you that? Go on. Try to get the soup and the peas up and running in. Up for boil up, you know.
Go on.
Peas, yeah, so I go and feed me, man. The thing I active up, you know. And then bring on one flask to then drink. So I go on. Chicken to fry. Chicken foot fish soup. You know that I mix with the cow skin. You have a pork this of a stew. Pork out this of a jerk. You see me? Yeah man, you know we are fight the fire but you know, cause you know say some of the wood them wet, you know? We need some more as well, so.
Start with this wood with some stick.
Get on
fire stick.
So we need to active up the thing, you know? But see it there? Them a go on, man. Them a go on with a little thing, you know? You see me? Yes, man. Yeah, man. Big land this up in the country, you know, peeps. Up here, son name Sherwood. So me done? Sherwood the name, though? Sherwood the community name, though?
Yeah, sure, girl Forest.
Alright, see, Daniel come with the cool car. If we follow shot and nothing no go on here today, no?
Party. Blood party. You turn over to the Daniel party now. Not shatter.
I wouldn't fear run the show for real, man. Shot a ball too much.
Ball like baby.
If Cole use and him forget another bag, he must have forget another bag.
Shake up the spirit. Long time spirit for you in the kitchen. Fox and I take some and I use this in.
No drink.
I use this in a fox.
You say he looks sad.
Yeah.
And where do you see like he's sad, man? No, man.
I brown in the NFL. Let me see with that nice brown.
3 women he have a breed, man. And that thing on him a stress, so he go manage.
Yeah. I come here get down here, scupper. Scupper. I come here down. I say. Yeah, and I'm for hour later. I want to spend some money, pay for their money. Yeah, it's not good. Man in the kitchen up so one jug chicken, one jug so that's a problem, man.
Breadfruit that for soup, you know?
Problem jugs are in the kitchen, man. I'm quite good so you can't pick up the bite. You can't give back the bite.
I'll get something for a kilo. I just don't like the fire, man. Like the one up the surround papa. I like the again, man.
I like the man. The call up, man. The call up. I really like the man. The call up, man. The sun come out for you.
Shut up, I'll get ox, man.
You take one, man. Don't worry about that.
Come on, people, so stew pork fire active, you know, you see me? Catch it and catch up, you know? Super rum. Brother, I hear you one that way you hold, brother. I'm gonna see your peeps, so I go on. Your man outside, clean and buzzing, you know. We just go and run the show where we can run it for now, you know? Yeah, man. But we are get everything active, you know? Yeah, man. Show now I go on. To all our pork lovers, That a go on, you know, peeps. So look at French time on top. Pimento leaf, you know. See what I go on? So try get this boiling again, you know. I want to get the soup active, you know. You see me? So we are waiting for the peas too. You get me? So that man, fireman there. You see me? As me I say pork fire there, so. Yeah man, drop it on top of that over there, so. Yeah man, remember yourself, shut out your brother-in-law, you know. You know say shut out your brother-in-law?
Oh me?
I don't know you.
No sir.
The general they are active up from morning and help around, you know.
Movie. Wally blood.
Yeah man.
Coat that. And pizza.
Yeah, rub him out, it's good. One piece of stew pork pattern. That's what I say. Yeah man, everything around smooth, same speed. Yeah man. Well, I know the time to see if we're on time, you know. But see it there? Yeah, man. Put on the stew pork as soon as you finish straight fried chicken. That's what I say, peeps. Yeah man. Yeah man, peeps, so here we are going now. I don't know, you know, I can't catch one heap of clips sometime because I don't know me have to cook and stuff, so I don't know, say busy. But I test the pork, you know, peeps. See what I'm going to feel. I don't know. Yeah man, so I'm going to come along as I see my bubbly, you know, peeps. You see me? So I'm going to come along, you know. Yeah man, I'm coming. See it, yeah? Pick up peas, show no peeps. Yeah man. I'm not quite soft yet, but you know. See what I go on? Yeah man. But good look, you know. When you see what I go on so now, peeps, them peas are done boil, you know. You get me? Peas done boil, just a wait for coconut milk, you know. You see what I say? So. With the sauce off, with the sauce off.
How are they doing that? Go on Instagram or TikTok?
Take more and take it off, you know. You see me? One people, so chicken over fry over there, so you know. Soup, again as you know. Stew pork. Pizza. Check back on the jerk, cause the jerk Chenton aka pork. Check back on him, you know. So come along, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. Coming along, you know. Taste piece and see how check the salt in it and such, isn't it? And people say this are the fried chicken season, you know. So no fried rice today, Firefox.
No fried rice. Can't do that. You can't do that. But funny fried rice.
This me like seeing, you know, peeps, when this a pot are bubbly, you know.
Yeah. You're in the brain pot, yeah.
Pork, you know. I don't know if the pork pot them in the pizza, isn't it? Fireman say no eat goat, pork, beef.
Cook every fucking one.
Yes, sir, you cow?
Eat cow?
Cow of beef. Look at it, how you got?
So me no eat cow, a beef nice. Yeah, I'm going to story, but me just a picky, you know. You know, you really want. Fire me the pan where the pan a word name bottom, you know. That's in our dictionary, you know. So no Jamaican take things funny. Like we can't say bottom, we can't say two, we can't say anything, man. No, but you talk about level.
No, I can check him soon, man.
No, man, me just check him, man, in govern, man.
Your PSC say everything in here, right?
Just pepper.
Oh, just a pepper. I want these chocolate. You cook already?
One of the get the tougher one still. One tougher one. That I soft one. That. I go down more sitting there. Then chicken outside down. You know? You see fire, so Firefox look when you stress out, you know. You want a split break and can't even take it. Sure.
Alright,
Yeah, man. See if Mr. Joe Poker boil up back, you know, see him there. We're outside seeing. Yeah, man, people. So I go on now. First set of chicken jump out, you know. Chicken in a pot.
See your babes.
Alright, so we get some vessel, you know, can monitor the thing. I'll take off this off of this. Let me that cover that.
You want 5 paper to cover that? That got 2 something.
You see, still put the people out to come along. No! Shaka can't complain, you know. When the problem in the kitchen, him cause, you know. See what go on, peeps? Who want to close up and what go on in the man. Still pork in the man. See me? Shut up, yes sir. What are your taxi bridge in the mac and shell the thing look come out?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Up here happen. So take out them chicken there. You know? Have to keep active, you know.
Done a great coconut.
I don't know what's a piece of
The big Dan.
imagine it's a piece of
Make it thing going.
This is a piece already Friday.
No, try prepare up for rice and peas, you know.
Rice and peas and pork and chicken.
Keep up space in there.
keep up this.
Rice and peas and chicken.
You put them on it up this way now.
Yeah, man, blessings, man. I don't know thing that out here, run the show, you know? Shut it. Yeah, man, peeps, so a long time, I'm not sure no I go on the kitchen, you know, man. You see it?
See it?
Yeah, man, see it there? See how it's soap? Come like a volcano. You see me? Stew pork. Yeah, man. It's just one boil down a bit. Then you know, say something ready in the kitchen. You know, we've been away upon the cook not a long time, so this are the rice and peas. So we soon part it up, you know. Alright, look what I'm going on, peeps. This is seasoning for the soup, you know. These are peeps. Coconut still a rub out. Like it done a move in a reverse. How much piece you have left?
See there? See there? Real wide. Coconut best. Great
rub them out, you know. Man, people, one thing we not look about today is curry goat, you know. But fried chicken ready. You know what I mean? Fried chicken that. Yeah, man, we're there, man. Yeah, man. Long time update I go on in the kitchen here, you know, peeps. You know, so we gotta go in a pot. See me? Tita pull them a sabotage.
Yeah, with the rum.
A sabotage, Tita pull.
Sabotage with the rum, so blood fire. No, give me the rum.
Yeah, man. Finally we can see in our pot, you know? You know say you can buy, I just do me want.
Wait, that's why we see it.
Yeah, me creep, so try get some heat up under the fire, you know? Get it up and running, you know? Yeah, man, that push up, man. Put the pan competition, you see it? Yeah, man, soon complete, you know? Nice. Just put them on a boiling fire, you know? You can boil up the piece, can boil up. Soon as the stew pork finish, you can switch back fire, you know? Yeah, man, fire fox apart it, you know, to the next pot. See me? Tita Paul still out there, cuss boy rum, you know, get it, you know.
Want to rub my boss? Yeah, I go and nice up myself a little more.
Yeah.
Because boss will be a girl over there.
Okay, a bubble pan two girl look more.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
What is?
What is?
What is? What is? You want to carry in a party? See you chef them.
Tita Paul get to you now.
You get to a long time. From morning. I not carry around come.
Tita Paul.
In the building. We make a thing shot, you know. And I put me out about a week. And I have something from boss Fox. Fox, you have bro? Yeah, man, nobody else not getting in the Fox. And we are drinking off in the Fox. And then drink off first one like you went on my boss. Yeah. Put me out of here, one box of it. You carry out blood.
What you say when you keep your party? What go go?
One box of this for your chef them. 1 rum, box of rum. Make sure your food cook and everything alright. Yeah.
Fox rice. Stew pork and simmery. So I put the water in it. Show me for that.
Everything I see by dog.
One top chef in a month.
Top chef. From Manchinian, the girl them.
One fireman.
Man, this is quite cool, yeah.
Okay. So, about a burn up nail in the fire. Wicked man, you know. Wicked. This is skin more and taste, you know. Hips. Fox don't eat pork, you know. So, we have to sample it, you know. So, we're going for the soup. That you want to see. Yes,
After
man.
you have something, no, make sure you have customer.
How much you have to pay if you go for 2 girls later, shut up? How much you have to pay if you go for 2 girls in the yard?
Should I buy it from buy it?
So, soup season, you know. Look up, you know.
So you for rum, you know. Married. And perry. Rum soup, you know. You want to put that in first? Rum soup. Yeah, see you later, again.
Man, everything up on smooth sailing in a people, you see me? All is well, man. One tips. So we have it, you know. So I'll go, you know. This is a chicken foot and skull skin, you know. Full of food, and, you know. Everything, you know what I mean? Same up.
And that boil up, let me give the final touch, you know.
Peeps, let me tell you now, you see when you do a cooking now, I tell you the thing now. You see when you're cooking, you see the first part of it's always the hardest. You get me? Because when you go so booms, you know, peeps, and everything set, you see everything I see you know.
Let's it up show them, let's it up show them. Give them man in a video.
Yeah, man, everything I see you know, so here we go on now. We have some pork. We have some pork for jerk, some chicken for jerk. Yeah, man. Peeps, this is rice, you know, man.
You know me they done Zanny and go up shield first and one party I cook. Yeah. Yeah, Zanny and come up.
See that peep?
No, man, in before my phone look at Zanny.
Yo, I go on.
Yeah, man, before I come inside and kill. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, people. Promoter Tita Kin in the sound come. You see promoter Tita Skin? Firefox, acha. Yeah, man, me there drink a one beer, you know? Sound up on the ground. Who is that? Mama Annie, Anita. Anita coming across, you know? Yeah, man, food a sale and everything, man. Everything merry up, you know? There's a soup. How is the soup? Alright. Shut us your light on your phone and there. Yeah, man, peeps, so. Chicken there, curry. Yeah, man. There, I'm there, and the man see it. I'm not the show on the rice from earlier, you know? Show poker shell down. You know? See what I go on there. Soup in a pot there. Yeah, man. Fried chicken kind of shell down, you know? You know? Pasta.
Look a bit of food for my big money.
Raw veg, you see me?
Let me get one food.
What you say, sweetie?
Give me one food. Look a bit of food for my big money. give me one food.
Yeah, man, the next part of sound of forward, you know what I mean?
And then you refund and get back your money?
Yeah, man.
Look, I'm driving.
You never call it your end.
So shut up, enjoy your food. Yeah.
Judge, I got too much box.
General, them down there, so I enjoy them food, you know. And the man, they have one more set for go for. Empty, man, them are empty out the truck, you know. How is your name, General? Reggae City. Father. Here, peeps, Reggae City. So now I hear how Reggae City play an idea, you know.